Hi guys, welcome to our video on how to enable automatic updates in WordPress. If you are a WordPress user, you know how important it is to keep your website up to date. Major updates often include security fix and new features, but manually updating your sites can be time consuming and sometimes easy to forget. That's why enabling automatic update is a great option. Let's take a closer look. Let's go to updates and you can see over WordPress is already updated to 6.1.1 and here is the option you can enable it by clicking on it and after clicking the all new updates of WordPress will be enabled. So you can also switch back to automatic update for maintenance and securities only. So let's explore another method. Let's go to plugin and add new plugin. You can download and install Easy Update Manager. Click on install now. So, by the way, what are the benefits of enabling automatic update? Keeping your website up to date is essential for protecting it from security threats. Automatic updates ensure that your site is always running the latest version of WordPress, which includes security patches and fixes. Manually updating your website can be time consuming and sometimes easy to forget. Enabling automatic updates save your times and ensure that your site is always up to date. Major updates often include new features and improve to the WordPress platform and enabling automatic update ensure that your site has access to the latest and greatest WordPress has to offer. So let's go to our plugin and which we installed updates options. So you can see here in Easy Updates Manager, there are options to enable all updates or disable all updates, or you can also quick configure action like WordPress core updates. You want to update manually or automatic all update, or you can also select your preference for plugin updates, theme updates, and translation updates. And there are other plugin settings. So that's it for today. You have successfully enabled automatic update for major versions of WordPress. Now you can rest assured that your site will always be up to date and with the latest features and security patches. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.